So here's a short video about the lab. It's a bit messy, but we're getting there. Not everything is set up yet. This is the development area with some breadboards, power supplies, lots of storage, 3D printer and CNC. This is the construction and testing area. Spectrum analyzer with sweep generator, various power supplies, soldering, RF equipment. There's still a lot to come up from storage here. Oscilloscopes, RF power meters, frequency counters. Here's the component storage. Starting to run out of space in here. That's all through hole. Tools, components. That's all surface mount stuff. More storage. And this is the ham shack. Need to get some more antennas set up. So that's it for today.